Good morning, everybody. We are at Family Dollar. It is March 16th, Saturday. We are going to do the 5 off of 25 deal, and I'm pretty excited. I definitely want to try to get the Axe. I like to use some of those high value coupons, but sometimes I just kind of walk around the store and figure out what it works out better. But let's go inside and have some fun while we're couponing. So today we're gonna get the Axe body wash. It is $5.65. Otherwise you could get the deodorant for $6, but we're gonna get the body wash for $5.65. You're gonna use this $6 off of 2 digital coupon. You will pay, or you'll use that 6 off of 2 digital coupon. It ends up coming just $5.30 for 2 of them. You're gonna get 2 of these tone body washes. You're gonna end up using the 2 off of 2 digital coupon, making both of them just $5.50. Then we're gonna get 1 of the Colgate toothpaste for $4.10, and you're gonna use this $2 off digital coupon. And then I'm getting the Bic Flex for $5.50, and I'm gonna use this $3 off digital coupon, making it $2.50. So everything is in the same aisle, not going crazy today, but you got these 6 items. It should come out to be $28.40 for all 6 items, but with the $13 and then the $5 for the 5 off of 25, I should be getting $18 off for the digital coupons, making my price just $10.40 or $1.73. So let's go to the checkouts. Okay, so went to the register. I'm like, okay, as long as it's like as long as it's $10 or whatever, and she's like, oh, your total's like $8.40, and I'm like, what? Like, I thought it was gonna be $10.40, but she's like, no, it's $8.40, and I'm like, I didn't say that, but I'm just like, okay, something else came off. So then when I checked my receipt, the Colgate toothpaste that I bought, I had 2 coupons. One was a manufacturer coupon, and another one was a Family Dollar coupon. So you guys can see it right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says right there I got $4 off. So I only got that toothpaste for 10 cents, and I did get the purple one. So make sure you guys, all your coupons are clipped for that. So yeah, my total was $28.40, and I'm glad I went that high, because otherwise if you are at $25 and that Family Dollar coupon comes off, the 5 off of 25 will not come off. So you got to make sure you're over $25 with all the Family Dollar coupons factored. It's kind of like how Walgreens IVC coupons work. But $28.40, and then I did have $20 of digital coupons. $20, that's crazy. So everything came out to be $8.40 or just like $1.40 each, which is a pretty okay deal. I mean, I know we can get stuff cheaper other places, but some people only have Family Dollar, and I like to share with you guys everything that I got. So $8.40 for 6 items is a pretty decent deal. I should get some like Tide and stuff, but yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys all next week for another Family Dollar haul. See you guys later, and thanks for watching.